Hi, I'm Amanda from Queen Bee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. This week we are going to talk about mini hair claws and 3 adorable hairstyles that you can create with these cute little claws. I can't wait to show you. They are so easy and pretty and feminine too, and they're going to be great hairstyles to add into your routine. But before I forget, I would love it if you would subscribe. Every single week I share an accessory styling video to give you a lovely lift. I talk about brooches, headbands, hair accessories, earrings, all of it, and I would love to see you next week. So do hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Back to hair claws. So the reason that hair claws are such a great hair accessory, especially the little mini ones, is that they provide really good grip with the little teeth. So they are not only practical, but they can be really pretty too. So these ones have got little pearls on them, as you can see here. And you can have sparkles, pearls, any kind of embellishment just to give that hairstyle that extra little elevation. If you have fine hair like me, then these mini hair claws are fantastic because they are really light and they don't pull on your hair, and you can get really creative with the hairstyles, as we will see. But even if your hair is medium or thick, these are a great hair accessory just because they're so cute and so versatile. So let's get going. My first hairstyle is a really simple one. This is a great one that you can wear any day really, when you just fancy a little change to your routine. If you wear your hair down like me, it's just a lovely style just to keep your hair off your face. Have a look. Now for our second mini hair claw style. This one is perfect if you love a really polished, clean girl look. The clean girl aesthetic is trending at the moment for good reason. It just feels so slick and put together. And mini hair claws are a great way of elevating your hair to the clean girl style. It's so easy with this hairstyle, but you just need to be a little bit patient with the brushing and make sure you use quite a bit of serum or hairspray just to keep those flyaways at bay. I hope you love this one. Yay! I hope you loved the first 2 hairstyles. Now it is time for the grand finale, which is a mini hair claw messy bun. This one is so much fun. It's laid back, but it's still glamorous. It's perfect if you're popping to the shops, you're going on a lunch date, you're lounging by the pool, you're meeting friends, doing something relaxed every day, but you just want to elevate your look that little bit and feel luxe. Now, to create this messy bun, you will need your 2 mini hair claw clips, and you will also need a scrunchie. If you go for matching colours, so tonal coordination, I've gone for pink. Who doesn't love pink? But it could be anything that's your favourite colour. This will create a cohesive look to the hairstyle, and if you want extra luxe, then you could go for a silk scrunchie as well. Yay! That's our 3 mini claw clip hairstyles. It is amazing how versatile these cute little hair clips can be. You can get so creative with them. There are lots more things you can do as well, so do subscribe so you don't miss a thing, because I share new styling ideas every single week, and I've got some more mini hair clip ideas for you I would love to share with you in the future. So do hit subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm so thrilled that you joined me today. I hope that you have fun getting creative with your mini claws, and I will look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much. Bye bye.